What is up, everybody? It is Thursday. I got about 4 stocks on the list right now. Looking for an opening range play. So I definitely got to be ready for it, because I got to keep my eyes on 4 of them at once, as opposed to the usual 1 or 2. Although it looks like Nvidia might not do it here. SPY is down today, but it looks like it's moving up right at the open here. Wow. Alright. So far, PG is the only one setting up here. Obviously don't like the volume. And there it goes anyway. Got risk of about 20 cents. I can go 600 here. I believe that is it. It's got 109.80, trying to get to 60. No real support until the whole numbers. Ah, shoot. I missed one. TSM was really good. See if NXPI follows up. I'll still give a chance here. Got an inside candle, could definitely make a move here. Alright, now we got something. I'm in. Holy crap. I used way too big a size. I need to cut some. SPY's turn. Looks like it might have something here. I can take some more off. It's slowing down too much. There we go. Take some. Take some more. 2 more shares left. It's just really slow. It's not picking up at all. I don't like it. I'll leave it and take it. I took way too big a size on that. I don't know what I was thinking. The $100 stock and the way that thing's acting, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what I was doing there. Risk management. And you see TSM pretty much did exactly what I would have wanted to see in it. Yeah, NXPI just popped back up to where my entry was. see much of anything right now. PG's nothing. Who's texting me? It's 6:30 in the morning. What's up, David? PM, huh? TSM's not really making anything that I know, but NXPI again is setting up for a pretty good opening range breakdown. The next support is this whole number though, and my risk would be way more than 10% or 20 cents here. The volume kind of slowed down. I don't think I like it enough. Could do something, but I'm not gonna be a part of it. Roku's also making a pretty good opening range, but I'd hate to take it long right into this pivot point. I got 32.90 as a, yeah, no, I definitely don't want to do that. Wow, that just happened right now. What in the world? What the heck? What the heck just happened there? TSM's being weird. Don't want to long it. There's definitely a trade-off of this, but I don't really know what the trade would be. Make it rain. Oh, no, there it goes. Big bar there at 10. Might keep going higher. Well, it's not looking like I have anything else at the moment, so I'll turn it back on later. Okay, I'm looking at NVIDIA here. I'm gonna take a bullish or a bearish engulfing play here. I want to short it at VWAP. So we got 231.80. If I'm lucky here, this will be the first engulfing pattern trade that I take. So risk is about 35 cents. So let's see. Take 300 on it. I don't want to do 300 because I've never taken one of these yet. I don't want to murder myself here. I'll take 200 if it gets up to 79 there. You can see on the fives here, we just made it. Just tore right through VWAP. If it gets back up there, I'll have a super tiny risk. Obviously plenty of reward, but Market's dropping. I don't know if it's gonna pop back up for me. Change to 75. Alright, I'm in. Stop loss will be a close above that EMA, so I'd like to see it turn around right here. Come on, dude. You gotta be kidding me. Alright, well, I am now negative on the day on a trade that absolutely had no business doing something like that. I was the guy that got out at the top. Alright, let's see if there's anything else. Alright guys, I am going to be done for the day. I just finished up typing my review and everything, so definitely give that a check. Read it, read all about it, learn what I had to say about today. Took 2 trades today. First was on NXPI. Definitely liked what I saw. The inside candle is usually kind of like the price action is coiling and it's building power, especially early in the day. I expect to see a little more volume on it, but it still made the move regardless of volume or not. You can see it's actually the lowest volume was the biggest move, interestingly enough. I definitely took way too big a position size to start this. I took 600 shares on it, and I did not take into account the spread, how wide it might be, so I immediately took off 100 shares right as it started running against me because I did not want to start the day down like $200 or something. So just kind of managing my risk a little bit better there, and then as it started to move down towards my profit target, I just kept taking partials, and it ended up being a pretty good trade. So the only complaint with that was just the position size, and then NVIDIA, I had a ton of things to say about it in the review, so definitely read about it, but just kind of recapping what happened. What is happening? Come on. So I was looking at it around right here, and I told myself, okay, so definitely want to see if a bearish engulfing pattern happens, I want to be in on it. So I told myself if it drops down and breaks not only VWAP but underneath this 50 as well, because you can kind of see there was a little bit of support over here, then I would look for a retest of VWAP to enter. So obviously it did just exactly that. Came back to VWAP. I entered short right here about, I think I had it at 79, but I changed it to 75 because I wasn't sure if I was going to actually get filled or not. So I got filled, and then just my stop was above the 9 EMA here, which at the time was just above the whole number. But I mean, this thing just absolutely tore me up. I went all the way up to this 59, and I was the guy that got out at the top. So it was definitely pretty unfortunate, especially on a trade that had no business being this big of a loser. I mean, my risk was like $50, and I lost 3 times my risk on the trade. I mean, it's one thing to say, you can hold on for like the 5-minute close or something, but I mean, the spike was so big and it had just turned me negative. So I mean, I'm finishing the day down $11. I just didn't want to. If it made a big move that big, I mean, it's a fake move underneath VWAP. So the problem was I didn't cut my position size up. I mean, I wrote all about it, so you can just read about it in there. So finishing the day down $11. Pretty expensive lesson. Not terrible though, I guess. I mean, obviously one trade will bring me back to positive for the week, so that's what I'll be looking forward to do tomorrow. Last day's on Friday, so thanks for watching.